Good morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. I hope you all are good at your home. And after examination, I have already informed you you have to start conjunction. But today, I thought your one part of adjective is left. Means part of adjective is left. So I decided today you have to study adjective. Means part of adjective, that is very important. Means I am talking about comparison of adjective. Okay, comparison of adjective. It is very important to know. You have to study. Okay, comparison of adjective. It means it is called degree. It is very important to know how you have to change one to another. Means you have to compare. You have to compare in this topic. Compare one person to another person, one thing to another thing. In this way, you have to find out how to compare with the help of adjective. There are a lot of adjective by which you can compare one person from another, one thing from another. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about, first I am going to tell you about some example. Examples are necessary to understand the concept of the topic. So we have some example. Suppose I am saying that my brother as wise as you. Then I am taller than you. Next, I'm saying that Rocky is the best in my class. Look at this. There are three examples we have. In all examples, we have done one thing, that is comparison. Comparison. Look at this. My brother as wise as you. Okay. Comparison. There is equal part of comparison. Okay, as you are wise, then the same way my brother is wise. Okay, I am taller than you. Okay, here is also comparison from one to another. Rocky is the best in my class. Okay, Rocky is the best student. Okay, so in this way we have some examples, and with the help of examples we have understood the concept of degree. Okay, so now we are going to discuss one by one what is degree and how we have to compare the things, the persons in this. Okay, a lot of words of adjective you have to try to note down note down it at first, and after that we have to discuss about one by one. Okay, I hope you have noted it. So firstly we will talk about, there are three kinds of degree. There are three kinds of adjective, I mean adjective of comparison. Adjective of comparison means degree. Degree we are studying. We have positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, we have three kinds of degree. We have to, with the help of this, we can compare one person from another, one thing from another. Okay, in this we will find out equal comparison from two things or two persons. Okay, and in this one will be better, one is better. Okay, here you can say that not equal, not equal, but here the comparison from all the persons. Okay, all the persons are all the things, so here is also one will be best, one is best, one is best means there will be superlative degree. Okay, so note down it, and one by one we are going to discuss about degree of positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, have you done? I hope you have noted it. First we have positive degree. What is positive degree? I hope you have book and you are watching all the things. So what is positive degree? Can you tell me about it? Okay, if you know, you can send the message, and you have to also, I'm going to inform you again and again, daily you have to attend the class and make your notes properly, then send to me. Okay, do it daily. So note down the simple form. The simple form of adjective is called positive degree. I have already told you about what is adjective. Okay, what is an adjective? You have already studied about it. Now we are going to discuss one by one. Positive degree means there will be comparison from one person from another. Okay, so look at this. Positive degree is called the simple form of adjective. Suppose tall, fat, good. Okay, and clever, wise. These are honest. These are adjective. These are adjective. Okay, so when these are in simple form, this is called positive. I have told you there will be comparison, but equal comparison. Equal comparison. There will be equal comparison. How you have to make it? First note down it, and then we will discuss about the example of this, and after example definitely we will understand all the concept of comparative, I mean positive degree. Okay, note down it. I hope you have noted it. Have you noted? Now we are going to discuss about the example of this. As I told you, there will be equal comparison between two persons or two things. Suppose I am saying to you, suppose I am saying to you, you are as good as I. Okay, you are as good as I. Or suppose I am saying this in this way, my friend is as clever as your friend. Okay, comparison between friend, your friend and my friend, and both are same, both are clever, both are equal. Okay, equally clever both are, your friend and my friend. They will be comparison, but comparison will be equal. Okay, next we have I study as much as you. Suppose you, I study as much as you means I study as much as you. Equal part of means as you study, as I study. Okay, as much as I study, as much as you study. The same way you study and I study means the comparison. There is no means I study an hour, you study an hour. I study 2 hours, you study 2 hours. So there will be comparison, but equal comparison. So this is called simple form of adjective, and this is positive degree. This is positive degree. Okay. Note down it. Two example of this. Don't worry, I am giving you more example about it. Today we will discuss about positive degree. Tomorrow we will discuss about comparative and superlative degree. Okay. In this way, there will be two class of this, two part, and in the two part you will finish all the things. And you have to also write down the simple form of adjective, positive, comparative and simple, I mean superlative. First write down simple form means positive, and then write down comparative, and then write down superlative. In your book you will find out there will be a lot of adjective, and you have to learn all the things. Okay, first write down, at least you have to write down 100 adjective. Simple, positive, I mean simple it is called positive, and then comparative, and then superlative. You can see in your book, and from there you can write down. Okay, now we have some more example. Suppose Sachin Tendulkar is as great as MS Dhoni. Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni I'm talking about. As positive degree means comparison between Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni. Both comparison is equal. Okay, in India we consider as Sachin Tendulkar great, the same way MS Dhoni, yani MS Dhoni is also great. Okay, the same thing. So equal comparison. I am again trying to say you, you are as punctual as a clock. Look at this. I have told you about the you are as punctual as a clock. Means your comparison between living, there is living and non-living. But doesn't matter there is living and non-living. I am talking about this is the quality of, means punctuality is the quality of you, punctuality is the quality of clock. So in this way your comparison between a clock, this is called punctual, means simple form of adjective, this punctual. So I am trying to say you are as punctual in your work as a clock. Clock is always punctual, you know very well about it. So in this way I have told you about the positive, and I have told you about as this is positive degree. I am talking about positive degree, positive degree. And you have already discussed, I mean you have already seen the example of positive degree in affirmative. Okay, now I'm trying to say you if there is negative, how you have to change it. Okay, in the negative you will find out one is great, one is better than another. Okay, in the negative sentence note down it, and after that we will discuss about negative. I hope you have noted it. Have you completed? Good. Okay, now we have negative. We have negative. When we convert this negative, suppose I am trying to say you negative sentence, this as will be so as. Okay, first you have to use not, and after that so and as. Suppose we have the example of this. I am not so lazy as you. The comparison between two person I and you. Okay, but here is I am better, means I am not so lazy as you. Okay, I am not so lazy as you. You are lazy and I am not so lazy. Okay, so in this way we have discussed about negative, and you can say that I have told you the example, you are not punctual as a clock. Now I'm trying to say you are not punctual as a clock, so as a clock. You are not so punctual as a clock. Okay, and next example, he is as sorry, he is not so strong as rock. He is not so strong as rock. So in this way we have the negative example. We can say that he is not so strong as rock. Rock is so strong. Rock is strong, but he is not so strong as rock. Comparison, it is equal. There is no any equal comparison. Okay, because there is negative sentence. Okay, so understood. I hope you understood about this concept of if there is positive in in positive degree. If there is affirmative sentence, you have to use as for equal comparison. If there will be not negative, there will be no equal comparison, so you have to use so as. Okay, as conjunction. Note down it. I hope you have noted it. So in this way we have discussed about the positive degree today, and here is so comparative and superlative degree. Comparative and superlative degree, it will be discussed tomorrow. Okay, comparative and superlative degree, we will discuss it tomorrow. And tomorrow you have to prepare about this topic, and then you have to study. Okay, and whatever I have told you and taught you today, you have to just note down in your copy and send me a pic. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of comparison of adjective and three kinds of adjective: positive, comparative, and superlative. So thanks for today. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.